Hey, what's up? Let's try. Welcome back to Sear Performance YouTube channel. Nah, I don't like that. Dean, Sear Performance. At the shop today, and same thing. Sean's car. Um, Working on the cage. So I'm gonna shut the door. Sun's killer. But so yesterday I got this subframe connector done. Plates, plate, tube. I think I had that up right in. He's so strange. Nah, I don't remember if I had that in yesterday. I might have. Possibly. Think I did. But, yeah, I think I did. Today, I jumped on that side. I got the floor cut out. I cut it almost identical to this. Well, I mean, pretty much identical to this side. Pieces right there. Right there. So, I tied the hoop back some to get it behind the door. It was kind of son of a biatch. Oh, the strap gave out. Shit like that scared me, cuz. But that's friggin' awesome. Yeah, so I took it back with a strap, which this side just broke. It was awesome. But I got that side. I got the plate. The plates were done yesterday for the subframe, the front frame rail piece, like this little piece that goes in the front right there and clip boxes in the end of the frame rail. I had cut both of those because I cut this side. Might as well just cut two of each. The one I didn't cut was the side plate, so I cut that yesterday. Then I measured the subframe out from this side. It's identical, like 10.5 inches, I think, to the center of the bar. So welded it to the plates, dropped it in, tacked it to the front. It's got a bunch of tacks in the back. The bar ended up being an exact replica of this, angle, everything, which is really cool. And then I took the upright and I notched the back some to bring it back a little bit more off the windshield, basically. And I put that in there just so that it try not to burn the headliner. Got it a cinch over here. But I got this side tacked in. That side's got a pretty decent weld, pretty much halfway around, quarter of the way around, I guess you could say. But I do believe I could take this off, and I believe his visors will still work. Which he'll probably say, I'm not going to use the visors. So, yes, you are. Yeah. So, I mean, almost work, but you can see that it is tight to the door frame. I mean, they'll technically work. Yeah. See, they'll work. Look at that. Even got, yeah, boy. It will make up mirror, so the bar actually fits right in the groove of it. I didn't try to do that. It just ended up that way. So, function of a visor with a roll cage. You push it forward, which you won't be able to do once the crossbar is in. Roll it up, and then rehook it, which you got to have it down to hook it. Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, that they probably won't function once the crossbar's in. That's all right though. You could probably tug them down. It'd probably work. Whatever. Maybe he doesn't want them. Who knows? I tried to finagle the mirror to try and keep it. I'm gonna try and keep the bar above the mirror. So I'll do that, and then once I get that bar in, and then bend the two bars tomorrow, I just gotta sort out where I'm gonna go with them. Pretty much every cage comes inside the frame rail, and that's pretty much gonna be the smart way to do it, because I don't have anywhere to tie an outrigger unless I slide a bar through the frame rail and cap the end of it outside. Don't know that I want to do that though. There's still a chance of the bar, rolling the frame or something like that. So I may end up plating the inside of the frame right behind that big bolt. on both sides, run a bar straight across. I'll do it kind of the same way I did these. I'll build the bar and the plates, clamp them in, put the 2 back bars going down to it, and then be able to drop that bar out so I could drop the cage. I only got to drop enough just to get on top and weld, you know, the 1 inch that you can't get to when you weld the cage. So it's not a whole lot, but you always want to make sure the tops of the cages are welded. There's 2 cars that came through here that the tops of the cages are not welded, and that's not good. But once I get these 4 joints here done, the 2 joints up here done, I could push the cage back up and actually finalize the location points, like get them tacked fully in, make sure the cage is square and all that good crap. So plugging away on it. My voice is completely shot. Today is Friday, I believe. Yep, today is Friday. So Wednesday, I believe, is the 16th, and that is tight. Kind of sucks, but I probably pull all weekend and get it done because I don't want to disappoint them. I don't want to hold them up. I've had it for too long, to be honest. But you can see the cage, that top bar just barely pokes. If it kind of just barely pokes. On both sides it's the same, but I wanted to get it as tight up in there and as far away from the driver as I could, or passenger, whichever, far away from your head basically. So I got to do the seat bar, which is pretty simple, and then figure out, probably because these bars are so long, it's probably going to need a support, whether I go off the seat bar and kind of do diagonals out, something, figure something out. But yeah, so Sean's car, plugging away. So it should be done. I gotta get the tin. That's the biggest issue right now, is getting the tin. I called 3 places and they're do not carry it right now, so might have to run and get it, which sucks because that's like few hours of the day to do that, but I mean, it is what it is. Stay tuned. There's multiple videos coming out because I forgot my laptop and then we had a dog fight, but I posted 1 last night, 2 today, and this one it'll go up tomorrow, I believe. So stay tuned. I'll catch up on the videos, get you caught up on the car. But today is Friday, so that's the progress as of Friday. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Leave me a comment. Have a good day.